The Nanlite PavoTubes. Are they worth the hype? You have no idea. Now those scenes that you just saw were all shot just using 2 Nanlite PavoTubes. Before I get into the PavoTubes, let me explain that scene quickly. So the first one was pretty obvious. Nanlite PavoTube, police car mode. The PavoTube was just off to the right hand side, giving you that kind of effect that there was a drive-by happening and the subject was just watching that car pass by. The second one, that had a Nanlite PavoTube outside giving you that lightning storm effect. And if you look just behind Michelle, you'll see there's another PavoTube shining up against that wall. And it was just adjusted to a much warmer temperature, giving that inside warmy feel. Now the next one was just a PavoTube in a firework mode, kind of giving you this effect that there was fireworks outside with a kicker light from the back. Now the last one was pretty cool. We had a PavoTube out in front of Michelle giving you that TV effect as if the TV was actually on and it was flickering or changing. And then what we did was, using the magnets on the PavoTube, we mounted it up behind her on a metal door frame in the mode called Bad Bulb. Now that mode kind of gives you that bad bulb that flickers. And with the right sound effects, I think it's pretty clear how you can see how this all comes together. Now, if you're watching this, I'm pretty sure you know who Nanlite is, and they are widely recognized in the film industry or in the creative industry with making high-end products that are completely adjustable and just very premium. Now, for a $100 PavoTube, you get some decent stuff in the box. You get a braided USB-C cable that's used for charging. They have a runtime of around 1 to 2 hours, depending on the mode or the brightness or the color that you've chosen. Now, what is pretty cool with the PavoTubes is, depending on the settings that you're currently on, it'll give you a real-time battery life gauge, kind of telling you that you've either got 30 minutes left or 1 hour left if you leave it at those specific settings. It's got a nice little quarter screw wrist strap in case you have a slightly clumsy assistant that you don't trust, a super velvety branded Nanlite carry bag, and some metal stickies in case you want to mount it magnetically somewhere where there's no metal. All the PavoTubes have internal batteries. Now this is the 10-inch PavoTube. You do get a 4-foot and a 6-foot, which I'll hopefully be reviewing soon on the channel. If your PavoTube goes flat, you can actually use a power bank and run it endlessly, well, until your power bank runs out, or unless you've got a wall socket. So that's pretty cool. Now the tubes are all RGB WW, and this little 10-inch is 183 lux at 1 meter. So they are pretty bright. It has a CRI of 95 and a TLCI of 97, and an adjustable color temperature from 2700 to 7500 Kelvin with a green to magenta adjustment. Now that's something that you don't often see in $100 lights. And if you think that's just a gimmick, check this out. That is all the way to the magenta adjustment at 1 specific Kelvin. And now I'm going to go all the way to the green adjustment, all the way on the other side of the spectrum. And you can see how it changes so much. Now we've used this in a car commercial film in leather, and it was giving us a bit of a strange color. So we were able to adjust the green and magenta tint other than just the temperature. Now the build quality on these PavoTubes is absolutely amazing. It's got a very strong aluminium or metal body feel to it. The diffuser on the front is really, really nice. It hides all those LED patterns that you generally get from LED lights, and you'd actually see the physical LEDs. Here you don't see anything regardless of the color that you switch to. Now, although the build quality is amazing, I definitely wouldn't recommend throwing this around or dropping it. This isn't like one of the indestructible lights that you can get or the waterproof lights. However, Nanlite does sell a waterproof carry bag that you can use on your PavoTubes. On the Nanlite website, you can also buy what they call the egg crate. Now, it's a pretty simple design. You've just got basic elastics over here that hold it in place, and it's actually pretty rigid and sturdy. And once it's in, it allows you to direct the light so that you don't get all that spill that you'd normally get from a tube light. So you can kind of see over here the light that it's throwing off. So if you want to use this as a hair light and you don't want to spill that light anywhere else, you can. So to give you an idea, I'm going to put it over here. You can kind of see the spill that you're getting at the moment, and then I'm going to slide it off. There we go. They have a quarter screw thread on either side of the PavoTubes, making it very easy to mount, whether it's on a light stand. And obviously the edges are very flat, so you can stand it on a table, and you kind of have these 5-sided edges, allowing you to lie it on a table in any way that you would like. Now, you've probably seen this in a lot of my sneaker videos, as well as product videos that I've shot before. Now, I'm going to do my best to try and explain the color spectrum and the RGB mode on the PavoTubes, because this is quite insane. You could literally pick any color that you want. So right now I am on 000 hue. Basically, Nanlite allows you to adjust the hue from 0 to 360, going in a complete circle around the color spectrum. It also allows you to adjust the brightness of each specific color, allowing you to go from 100% brightness all the way down to 0 or 1%. Not only that, but they allow you to adjust the saturation within that from 100 to 0, making this blue light eventually become almost white, or whatever color that you chose. And now my favorite part of the PavoTubes is the scenes. The scenes that you get out of such a small little light is insanely versatile, and the customization of each scene is mind-blowing. So let me run you through these quickly. This is bad bulb, fireworks, explosion, welding, a hue loop, CCT loop, intermittent loop, CCT flash, a hue flash, CCT pulse, a hue pulse, a storm, police car, TV, paparazzi, candle or a fire, disco, and then you go back to bad bulb. Now, what's pretty cool with all of these modes is the customization in each specific mode is almost endless. Now, I'm just going to use two of them to explain to you how intense it can be. The police car. The police car allows you to adjust the dimness all the way from 0 to 100. Not only that, but allows you to adjust the speed at which these pulses happen. And over and above that, allows you to adjust the color that comes out of this police car mode. Whether you're looking at a red, blue and white police car, a blue and white, a red and blue, or just blue. And then the fireworks. Now on the firework mode, you can adjust the dimness or the brightness, once again from 0 to 100. You can also adjust how many colors of fireworks are displayed. 6 colors, 9 colors, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Up to 24 different colors of fireworks displays that would kind of give you a variation of colors. Not just that, but you can also adjust the speed at which those lights would flicker or cycle between the decay of those lights. In other words, how long this specific strobe would last from 1 all the way up to 100, giving you a very long pulsing effect, cycling between those colors that you've chosen. So I think it's pretty clear how intuitive the menu is and what Nanlite has been able to do with a basic 5-button layout. Now, one of the things that I want to point out, which is very difficult to demonstrate to anyone that's watching a video, is how bright a PavoTube actually is. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put my PavoTube about a half a meter away from me, and I'm going to adjust the brightness up from 0 all the way to 100 using the 4400 Kelvin. And then I'm going to switch to RGB mode to show you how bright that is. So as this goes up, you can see how bright it can get all the way to 100 brightness. So yes, you could use this as a key light if you would like, just outside of camera frame. Now, one of the things about RGB lights is their poor performance when it comes to displaying the colors. A lot of them that are able to do this RGBW kind of look do give you very bright whites and different types of Kelvins, but they struggle when it comes to RGB mode. Now I'm going to give you a demonstration again, about half a meter away, from 0 all the way to 100 using just the red. And you can see how insanely bright. It's almost as if the RGB mode on the PavoTubes is brighter than the white and the yellow. And the saturation that they give off is immense. Now, are they actually worth it? So the hype that you've seen on the internet is 100% accurate. These are not overhyped. In actual fact, I believe they're underhyped, and I don't know why more people don't have this. You can slip it in your camera bag. You can take 1, 2, 3 of them. They're magnetic. They just clip on anywhere. The battery life is good. You can just plug it into a power bank, charge it up, and you can take it anywhere you want to, just to add a little bit of kicker light no matter what you're using it for. So yeah, they are worth it. And for $100, these are amazing. Now, if you are wondering about the name, these are actually the Nanlite PavoTube 26C. Fortunately for you, shopping for one is pretty simple because at the moment, Nanlite only makes the one 10-inch and the one 4-foot and the one 6-foot. So you're not going to be buying the wrong one if you buy it as of right now. I will drop a link in the description below where you can head over to the Nanlite website and pick yourself up the PavoTube 26C, as well as the 4-foot and the 6-foot if you want to have a look at it, and the other products that Nanlite actually puts out there. Now, I do want to say thank you to Nanlite for sending me these to play with. I actually have been using these for quite some time. And if you come to this channel, you'll know that I use a product quite extensively before I just review it. And if you watch a lot of my sneaker videos, you'll see that I've used these a ton. Oh yeah. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Apparently, if you subscribe in 2021, it's free. Go figure. So that's it. Wherever you are in the world, have a good day, good evening, good night. Goodbye.